There are several ways to do a remedy search or remedy extraction. In this clip I will show you how you can do it with drag and drop. So I'm in the synthesis, I'm in a rubric, and for example I want to know all rubrics in the synthesis of chelidonium. I point to chelidonium, I hold down my mouse key, I drag it at the left side in the table of contents of the repertories and let go on the book I want. So for example here, Frederick's synthesis, I let go. It takes a moment and you will see it has found 8,067 symptoms. Let me show you again. So I click on the top synthesis. I click here on the table of contents repertory, so I will see all my repertories again. I point to a remedy, for example gravitis. I drag it to the left side, to the Murphy. I let go. And you will see it has found 7,282 symptoms. Now, let me show you the next thing. I click again on the top of synthesis. I click here again on repertories. Now, I don't want to select one specific repertory to search in, but I want to find in one go all the rubrics in all the repertories. So again, I point here to a remedy, for example arsenicum. Now I drag it not to one of the titles, but I go in the left upper corner to the title repertories, so to the section repertories. I let go, and you see at the left side it shows you a long list of repertories, and in front of each one it shows you how often it has found it. So for example here I click on the Burke. Now at the right side you see it has found 1244 symptoms in the Burke. So for example the left side here on Shuduri, I click on Shuduri and you see it has 27 rubrics found. So this I can do for anyone. So for example Fatak. Now at the moment there's still something which will change. It can happen that other languages are shown, even if in the table of contents you have selected that it only shows one language, for example English. So here in the repertories I have selected that it only shows me the English repertories. Now in the search result it still shows up some other languages, but that will disappear later. Okay, those are the two possibilities of drag and drop. So you can point to a remedy, let go on one of the specific titles, or you drag the remedy and let go on the chapter, on the section of that part. So here repertories. But I could do the same, or for example on concepts, or if I go down, there's a section called, let me go up, families of remedies. So for example, I can show you one other nice thing. Let's say here in the concepts, for example here, Luc de Schepper, concepts and core delusions. Now I want to know what the core delusion is of, for example here, let's do Apis. I point to Apis, I drag it to Luc de Schepper, concepts and core delusions, I let go, and it will show you that it has found the remedy in the concept jealousy, and it has found it in the core delusion, she's pregnant. So now I double click on it and I will open. So you see here I have the top concepts and core delusions are now open, and I went to this section. See here, this is the main part. She's pregnant for Crocus, and she's pregnant for Apis. Reflects high sexual desire and jealousy for competition. Okay, that's it.